For the simple hat, we're going to take a balloon, preferably one that's really difficult to blow up, like the orange. And then we're going to twist and tie and turn that off. Now, for the cool thing with the hats, you can actually stretch them. You make a circle, you don't squeeze, you just make a circle. And we're going to do this with a little baby powder so that we don't kill the room or the sound here. But just stretch that out, and it'll actually stretch the balloon. So you can fit around those giant noggins you have to try to fit around. Well, you're going to make a pinch. You're going to wrap around the head, pinch off at where the head belongs, make a little twist, and that's a unicorn. It's a walkie-talkie. It's a coonskin cap. Either way, you're going to reach across to the other side. You're going to pinch and twist and get a little bubble at the end there. And that's going to make the basic helmet that you can shape and fold and make and mold into whatever you would like it to be.